All right, on the heavy bag, the number one thing you can do to get better at footwork in boxing, all you're gonna do is be on your toes the whole time. 1, 2, pivot, drop that back foot. So if you're doing a 2-minute round, 3-minute round, whatever it is, you're on the toes the whole time. Feet are shoulder width apart, forwards and backwards, just in and out. It can be like 6 to 8 inches in the range, but in between your combinations, you're doing this the whole time with the hands up. So I get in front of the heavy bag, I'm gonna find that rhythm with the feet and keep that rhythm for the whole 2-3 minutes, however long your round is. The quads should be on fire at the end of the round. So I'm here, just feeling nice and relaxed in the shoulders, just on the toes, breathing. I can throw my jab, and then I'm right back to the feet, staying away from the heavy bag. I'm gonna use that little push of the feet to get in. 1, 2, I'm right back on the toes. I can circle, I can pivot out, move around the bag a little bit, but I'm just keeping that nice bouncy rhythm the whole time, and I'm just using the punches to set the feet. And then I'm back on it. My toes, on the toes the whole time, breathing. Get in with 1 punch, get in with 2 punches, get right back out. But for the whole 2 or 3 minute round, I'm on the toes the whole time. I guarantee your footwork will feel better if you keep doing that every single time you're on the heavy bag.